Okay, here's my Texas Instruments Speak and Read, Speak and Spell, and Speak and Math collection. I didn't realize that I had 7 of these. In fact, I thought I had more like 4 of them. I picked these up at garage sales and thrift stores, and I don't pay more than a few bucks each, so it looks like I've just kind of forgotten what I've picked up over the last, I'd say, 15, 20 years. I've always been fascinated by these. I just think they're great icons of the 80s. Speak and Spell was an E.T., and it's really a marvel, I think, for its time. And while some people would agree that these things are pretty ancient, or they would think that, I think they're pretty cool, especially considering in 1980, nothing really even spoke. I mean, this is really cool. This is the first generation of Speak and Spell. And it has a keypad that actually has buttons, so there's actual buttons that you push on. I'm not going to demo this one because it doesn't have a power input. It only takes batteries, and I don't have batteries right now for it. Here is the membrane version, so it's just a flat surface. Let me go ahead and turn this on. Okay, so what it does is it comes on, and there's a number of different games that you can play. And if I hit go will always start the game.
Spell
Was. So I go W-A-S.
That is correct. Now spell extra.
Extra.
E.
Let's try this again. E-X.
T-R-A. You are correct. Next, spell touch.
Okay, so you get the idea. This one has a number of different games where you actually spell out words. Also a couple modules, and you could buy these. One of them is called Vowel Power. Another one is Noun Endings, and then here's one called Basic Builders. Those plug into a spot, kind of like an Atari cartridge, in the battery compartment. So you put those in, and then depending on the game you play, it enables additional content. So, first look at expandability for a game. Kind of cool. Okay, let's go over to Speak and Math, and I'm going to go ahead and plug this in. So give me just a second. So now it's plugged in. So Speak and Math, same voice type engine, but it all has to do with math now.
Solve it. Level 1.
Okay, let's go ahead and let's do word problems.
Word problems. Level 1.
Let's go ahead and do this. Go.
What is 2 times 1?
2 times 1 is 2, right?
That's right. Try. How much is 20 plus 12?
Let's just put it on a wrong number. I'm going to say it's 30.
Wrong. Try again. How much is 20 plus 12?
Okay, so you get the idea for this one. Same type of thing, same type of keypad really. It's a membrane style, but it all has to do with math. Let's go over to Speak and Read. So this one is kind of similar to Speak and Spell because you're dealing with words. This one I think I like because it lets you actually, it'll actually talk words that you give it.
Word zap. Level 1.
So that's word zap. Let's say you've got to hear it.
Hear it. Which word?
So if I type in dog,
D-O-G. This word is dog.
now that's interesting. The voice on this is a little deeper and it's a little bit louder. I don't know if it's just because of the unit or if this one is made a little differently or something, but anyways, a bunch of different games. Here's Word Zapper. Let's try this. Word Zap.
Word zap. Level 1.
I do Word Zap.
Zap the word tap.
Tap. Here we go. Let's hit Zap.
Yes, the answer is tap.
Okay, so this one it just reads the words and then you have to, let it know when the word has been said.
Zap the word went.
Let's do the wrong one. Oh,
That's incorrect. The answer is went.
went. Okay, so that's Speak and Read, and it's similar to Speak and Spell, but my guess is this is just an extension of Speak and Spell, maybe features that they couldn't put into that or whatever, but the other thing is it's another way for them to make more money too by just having another product. I'm sure that was in the business plan. So anyways, those are Speak and Spells. People will do what's called we call circuit bending these. So if you go on eBay, you'll find that some of these are modified with a whole bunch of switches and dials, and you can do all sorts of things with them and make interesting noises. Some musicians also use them, so they're called circuit bent. Maybe I should circuit bend one of these. Maybe I can buy a kit. Maybe it'd be kind of fun. So anyways, not the most maybe informative video, but I just wanted to bring you back a little bit to simpler times when speak and spell at the time was the big game, was the big toy. Probably around 1980 to 1981. So thanks for watching.